always ask me, hey Lisa, do you know how to change a tire? No, and my name's not Lisa, but I have a hot new listing that I can show you. So my first favorite thing about this house is the beautifully updated kitchen. It has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, fresh paint. It's got a nice accent for the island, huge pantry, great for entertaining. My second favorite thing is the backyard. It's beautifully landscaped. It has a maintenance-free deck off the back, has a concrete slab just directly under the deck and extends out to the end of the house. Pavered patio area for a fire pit, and it's just very nice and private with the trees and the shade. Oh hey, I'm just chilling in the sauna. This is my third favorite thing in this house. It has a built-in sauna for relaxing in the wintertime, after work, whenever you feel like it. If you're looking for new tires, contact Discount Tire. But if you're looking for a new home, call me, Amanda Galindo, to schedule a showing on this new listing.